Hello, and welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are checking out this oral irrigator. So let's see what you get inside the box. Alright, so inside the box we have a bunch of accessories. So they give you the power plug. So this is a USB port power plug. You plug this into your regular wall outlet and you're good to go. They give you a tips box. So right there, power cable for charging. They give you multiple different ends. So this one is see-through, and what you do is you pop open that cap on the top there and you fill it with water. So like this, pop the cap open, you fill it with water, press it and seal it. In the front here you have your power cable port. So this gets plugged in directly right in here like this. And then to charge it, you just plug this into any USB port or the plug they provide you with. Once you are good to go, you then can press the power button, which is right here. You also have different modes. You got low, medium, high, pulse. So pressing and holding the power button. Okay, so you don't actually have to press and hold the power button. You just press the power button and you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and put one of these nozzles on here to show you guys. You drop this down in, you hear a click. If you want to take it off, you press the top button and you just pop it right back off. So simple, the friends. So let's go ahead and fill it up with water and show you guys it in operation. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. You fill it with water and once you power on, so as you can see, there we go. So it's got some force no matter what mode you select. So different modes.